Dr. Shamsundar here, Chief of Critical Care Medicine and the Director Sigma Hospital. Being in the practice of critical care for over 2 decades, our main endeavor had been to not only treating with patients with infection, but how to prevent infections in ICU. The multi-drug resistant bugs have been growing very fast in the recent years, especially over a decade, and hardly any antibiotics are available. The mortality of patients both with nosocomial infections as well as community acquired infections have been very high, ranging from our Indian scenario from 23% to 56%. Apart from the personalized care of taking precautions and hand wash, one of the main concern was to keep the environment of the intensive care, the operation theatre and the hospital environment clean and free from these bugs. So one such modality has been the use of sterilizers, which I have used over past 2 to 3 months, and I found that in many areas, especially the high dependency areas like critical care area, intensive care areas, operation theatres, in dialysis rooms, we found that with the use of these sterilizer, the environment was clean with the microbiological backup that most of the colonies which were grown earlier than the use of sterilizer have turned sterile. So I strongly recommend the use of these sterilizers in these areas. As the dictum goes, prevention is better than cure. By preventing infections in the hospital environment, especially with multi-drug resistant bugs, we do a lot of good to the society not only in reducing the burden